Hello, Perma Blend family. This is Anne Marie. I'm at the Perma Blend office in Fort Mill, South Carolina. I wanted to talk today about the eyeliner blacks that we have for Perma Blend. So we have 4 different blacks that you can use for eyeliner. We start with double black, eyeliner black, blended black, and black beauty. What does that all mean? So if you're using double black is Perma Blend's highest carbon-based black. And this is going to give you a very dark eyeliner color. It's really for experienced artists only because a lot of times you'll have clients that come in, they might have thin eyelid skin, there may be capillaries right on the top of that skin. So if you're using a carbon-based and you're an inexperienced artist, you can have chance of migration. You don't want that. We want to be safe. We want you guys to be safe and be smart. It's why we've created this range. We have eyeliner black. Also very black color, but it has less carbon in it than the double black. Still good idea for experienced artists. I know a lot of newer artists are wanting to use the eyeliner black, and that's fine. You just have to be aware and you have to know when you can and cannot use it. Then we go to blended black. Blended black is great. I love it because it's a combination of the iron oxide and the carbon. What does that look like? Carbon is very dark and black. Iron oxide comes up a little bit more gray, so you can see the difference. Iron oxide is going to be safer for newer artists. And in the blended black, I usually tell them to start with either the black beauty or the blended black if you're newer. Black beauty is completely straight iron oxide. You may not get as dark of coverage for the black beauty, but it's safe. And if you're a new artist, a real newbie, you can put the black beauty down as the foundation and then use any of the other 3 over that. So we've got double black, and double black is the highest carbon black that we have. We have the eyeliner black, also carbon-based, a little bit less carbon than the double black. Blended black is the combination of carbon and iron oxide, and then the black beauty is straight iron oxide. I hope that clears up some confusion about Perma Blend's eyeliner blacks. And for fun, I was just gonna put some black in some water and let's see what it looks like. Double black. You can see Perma Blend is so highly pigmented. That black is just, look how much it stays black all the way down that bottle. And then this is an iron oxide, straight iron oxide black. Let's see. Look at how that falls straight. So this is a great example of iron oxides being heavier than carbon-based. Did you see how that fell right to the bottom? It didn't sort of swirl down the glass jar, it just sort of fell right into the bottom because iron oxides by nature are just heavier pigments. So that was a good example of that. I hope this tutorial has helped give you an explanation of the different blacks for Perma Blend. If you have any questions, you can email me at annemarie.rubino@permablend.com. And remember to stay true to your art, true to your clients, and true to you with Perma Blend.